AI isn't just touching lives. It's reshaping the backbone of the digital world. It's in your doctor's office, making new treatments possible. It's at your front door with quicker deliveries. It's on your phone, helping manage your financial future. But the AI revolution is only accelerating, creating more complexities. So you need critical digital infrastructure that's built for today and designed for what's next. With our global scale, groundbreaking partnerships, and decades of industry leadership, we're not only ready for the AI future, we're building multiple compute generations ahead. And we're doing it with performance without compromise, efficiency at scale, resiliency without downtime, reliability across the globe. The question isn't how far or fast AI will go. It's who you trust to take you there.